Hi, by way of introduction, my name is Kaushal Modi, and I have created a smart shopper agent which is able to use large language model like Anthropic Claude and is able to take in input a natural language, and it is able to decide which tools to run, and it provides an output back to the large language model based on the tools, and the model gives back a response to the user. So basically, for example, the user query is buy a laptop under 500, and there are four tools to it: get products, recommend, cart add, and checkout. And it will buy a particular product under the limits of the budget, and it is able to add to the cart and is able to check out as well. So this is a flow diagram, and let's see this in action. So I'll be running my Python script here, and as you can see, it is running live on the server. As a first step, what I'll do is I'll check reading the root whether or not it is working correctly. And yes, welcome to Minishop API works. We'll create a few product lists. So for example, let's create Apple MacBook price. Let's keep it to 2000 for example. USD inventory is 10. Category is electronics. We'll add a couple of more products: HP Spectre, 249.60 electronics, and add another one: Dell Alienware. Let's just keep a random price, for example here 200 USD, and execute. As you can see, all the products have been added. As you can see, the ID is 3 in this case for Dell. And now let's run the agent runner. So as I mentioned, agent tools are defined here, wherein we are providing the system prompt that you are a product recommender and shopping assistant. Advise the user with just one product based on user's budget and preferences from the mini shop catalog. And we just added three products, and we also defined the budget, and the budget is defined here. We are just using it as an f string here, and we are also suggesting that these are the five tools that you have to use. And now let's run the agent runner and see what it responds us. So we are getting all the output in the mini shop log. Everything is being recorded here for transparency, and we can just look at it in a second. So it's about to end its iteration loop. As purchase is confirmed, an order has been placed successfully. So let's have a close look at what we received as the output. So we see that the new agent session has started. The user budget is 500. User query is this: recommend a product to buy under 500 and add it to my cart and proceed to checkout. And as you can see, the first iteration, it is saying that the tool call is recommend, and it is taking an input the user query, passing it to the recommend, and the tool result is the recommendations that it feels are correct. This is based on the large language model, and then we can see that it is able to go to another tool wherein it is able to add to the cart, and it is checking the price whether or not it is less than the budget. If yes, it is able to add to the cart successfully. Iteration 4, it is calling the checkout function, and as you can see, the checkout is successful, purchase confirmed, order placed successfully. These are all simulated payments. There is no like real life payment that has happened here, but this is just to see how large language models are able to reason, plan, and take actions to meet the required goals. And this is a very helpful diagram: user goal, smart shopper AI, tools, and the mini shop API, fast API backend that we created. Thank you.